Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we share fun and effective teaching strategies for ESL classrooms. Today, we're diving into a classic game with a twist: Stop the Bus. This game is perfect for enhancing vocabulary, spelling, and quick thinking among your students. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what you'll need. Honestly, it's pretty simple: a whiteboard, marker, and a timer. That's it. You can also play this game just with pen and paper or any digital device if your classroom is more tech-oriented. Now, let's set up the game. Start by dividing your class into small groups or pairs. This fosters a bit of healthy competition and teamwork. Next, choose between 3 to 5 categories. These can be anything from animals, food, countries, to verbs in the past tense. Tailor it to what you're currently teaching. Write the categories at the top of your board or sheet. Now, here's where the fun begins. You, the teacher, will say a letter out loud. The goal for each group is to come up with a word for each category that starts with that letter. For example, if our letter is B, they might write bear for animal, banana for food, and so on. Once a group finishes, they shout, "Stop the bus." Then, everyone must stop writing. It's time to compare answers. For each unique answer, a group gets a point. If two groups have the same word, neither gets a point for that word. The trick is to be quick and creative. Keep playing for as many rounds as you like, changing the letter each time. The group with the most points at the end wins the game. Here are some tips to keep in mind. First, start by explaining the game rules in simple English. Use visual aids if necessary. Demonstrate a round of the game yourself to make sure everyone understands. Next, select categories that match your students' proficiency levels. For beginners, choose simple categories like colors, animals, or food. For more advanced students, you can choose categories such as countries, verbs in past tense, or adjectives. Occasionally introduce new categories related to recent lesson topics to reinforce learning. Encourage students to think outside the box and come up with unique answers. This not only makes the game more fun, but also expands their vocabulary. Reward points for especially creative or unusual words that still fit the category. And lastly, after each round, review some of the words that caused confusion or were spelled incorrectly. This can be a great opportunity for teaching moments. And that's Stop the Bus. It's simple, flexible, and a hit among students. Thank you for watching. If you try Stop the Bus in your classroom, let us know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more teaching tips. See you next time.